Hi, my name's Keith Flinn, an attorney at the Wirth Law Office, and I'm here to answer what happens if they don't pay me child support. Well, what does happen if they don't pay you child support? Parties who do not receive timely payments of child support are entitled to file what are called applications for contempt. Now, in Tulsa County, these applications for contempt will be specially set on a docket just handling child support cases in order to fast track these cases and get payments being made to support children. Um, Generally, after an application for contempt for child support is made by a party who's owed child support, the court will set the matter for a hearing, which is initial appearance, or an arraignment, which the court will ask the obligor or person who owes child support to enter a plea. Generally speaking, if the party is unrepresented, the court will enter a not guilty plea on their behalf. At this time, the court will then either set a bench or a jury trial based on the um, the wishes of the obligor. The person is entitled to a jury trial because failure to pay child support is a misdemeanor in the state of Oklahoma. Um, at the time of a jury trial, the person who's trying to recover the past due child support will have to prove that the obligor failed to pay child support and that they knowingly and willfully did so. Um, and then, obviously, upon a guilty finding, the court will sentence them. Generally, the court sentences a party to 6 months and sets what is a purge fee um, at the amount owed in back child support if there is a trial. The court can also impose fines of up to $500. But generally, parties do negotiate a settlement prior to trial, and this usually includes a payment schedule. Usually would include some kind of payment or contribution to the arrearage, and then a schedule for payment over the next 3 years to pay back what is owed in child support. At this time, the guilty party would then enter a plea, probably of no contest. The court will find them guilty, order them to pay according to the schedule, and set the matter for reviews. If the party who owes you child support does not make those payments, then on those reviews, the court can sentence the client or the defendant to custody of the county jail and set a purge fee. And that purge fee could be the entire amount owed on the underlying child support arrearage, or just the amount owed pursuant to that agreement that was made. So could be for 3 months of the total that is owed according to an agreement, or it could be for that total number owed for child support in total. And generally, courts are not going to impose a purge fee of the total amount owed unless the payments history of the person who owes child support is such that it's egregious, and the court would like to set a pretty extreme message there. So I hope that answers your question about what happens if child support isn't paid to you. My name's Keith Flinn again. If you have any more questions, give us a call at the Wirth Law Office.